We're having a small technical issue, so give us 2 seconds. Is everybody excited for the fireworks? I have to say, it looks absolutely incredible out there. And I hope you're going to join in with me, because you've been standing out there longer than I have, and I'm absolutely freezing already. So, who's ready for a bit of a dance? Sorry, I'm going to ask that question again. Who's ready for a bit of a dance? That's what I like to hear. Alright, this first song I want to sing for you all. Are we ready? Alright, here we go. This is Don't Stop Believing. I want to see your hands in the air.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Here we go. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. There's shadows searching in the night. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street lights, people going on and on. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill. Paying anything to roll the dice. Just do one more time. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. There's shadows. Are you ready? I want to see you all jumping. Let's go! Oh, hey. And don't stop believing. Woo. Hold on to that feeling. Street light, people go. Don't stop believing. All right, Swansea, you're not quite loud enough for me. Everybody put your hands in the air. Now you know the words, you're gonna sing this bit, all right? Here we go. I can see you in the back. Come on, hands in the air. 1, 2, 3, sing it. Don't stop believing. I think you can do a bit better than that. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Street light, people. Oh, oh. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Street light, people going on and on and on and
Alright guys, I'm just looking for a microphone stand. There it is. Alright, this next song, you're all going to know the words to. This is the winning single from the X Factor many, many years ago. And I still enjoy singing this song, so if you know the words, please join in. This is The Climb. I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, that there's a voice inside my head saying, you never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I'm making, just with no direction. My faith is shaking. is my new single off my new album which came out last month. It's a song that I wrote with two incredible songwriters. I hope you enjoy it. You probably won't know this one, so please be patient and I hope you enjoy it. This is Rescue Us. Goes a little something like this. Thank you. I love you too. Settle down, it's time now. I think we'll be waiting for a while before I come. Look around, imagine now, all of the world that comes out. It's just begun. Hard to believe that it's come to this. Left in the wreckage of broken tears, carried away by everything we lost. Never forgotten, but now that it's done, we have to move on to somebody else to love. I thought we were safe, but there's no escape. Settle down, it's time now. I think we'll be waiting for a while before they come. Thank you. Give me 2 seconds, I've just got something I need to sort out. Alright guys, I have one more song for you. Some of you may remember this single. This was the first single off my first album, straight after X Factor. Some of you may know this dance routine from the video. This will warm you up a little bit. It's Ambitions, I hope you enjoy it. Here we go!